In this video, we cover the design system and endless opportunities it opens up for achieving effortless web design. In Ucraft Next, the design system automatically pulls together complementary colors, UI elements, and presets. As you set your preferred design scheme, you'll see how it's synchronized and applied to all widgets across the pages. But don't worry, you can always make some tweaks to the styles you choose from the Properties panel down the line. Let's get started and see how to navigate through typography in Ucraft Next's design system. Here, review and manage the overall structure of your copy, from heading 1 to paragraph. Keep this text structure to help your visitors see the overall picture even after one glance and ensure your website's visibility on search engines. Decide on your base size, which is basically a paragraph's font size. Now, arrange the scale ratio to help the system automatically calculate the size of the headings. Let's set it to the most common ratio in web design, also known as the golden ratio, 1.25. Once done, every following element increases its size by 1.25 times. Now, set your base font family and heading family if needed. If you are looking for a wider choice of fonts, choose one from Google or upload one by yourself. Additionally, apply specific style settings to a chosen element if necessary. Experiment with font type, colors, size, and shadows to create a more complex and eye-catching experience. Switch between the modes to test if the font color looks good on the dark background. And that's a wrap! In this video, we learned how to streamline your creative process and create a cohesive web design using Ucraft Next's design system. Up next, learning how to set up UI element styles to create consistency across your online store and design an effective user interface. Stay tuned for more. Questions? We're just a click away, 24/7.